Today in this video I'm showing you how to make lemon blender cake. This is what it looks like, and a close-up, and of course me trying some. So fragrant and delicious. You will need 1 lemon, 1 cup of sugar, 200 grams of softened butter, 3 eggs and 2 cups of self-rising flour. Blend your lemon till smooth. Then you're going to add your butter and sugar and blend till combined. Like I'm doing here. Blend away. Then I'm adding the eggs one at a time, blending in between. Blend, blend, blend. Once blended, transfer mixture to a mixing bowl, and then you're going to fold in your flour. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Bake for 36 minutes. And just like that, it's out of the oven and ready to cool. I made passion fruit lemon cream cheese frosting with my cake, and there you go. How gorgeous. Give it a go, guys. Let me know what you think. Enjoy!